Hey folks, in today's video, we're gonna talk about object creation in TypeScript. Let's get started. TypeScript offers the possibility to create a strongly typed object. Let's say here we have an object that we want to send to our server. Define user data. And here our object has two keys. Say customer data here. And our object has two keys, the name, say Bob, and the email, bob@gmail.com. And here we can, over the customer data, we can see that TypeScript infers the customer data to be an object which has two keys, name and email. But you can see here into our customer data, we still have the possibility to extend our customer data. We don't know the fixed size of it. We can add even the telephone here. We can add also multiple keys, as many we want. Now, to prevent this, we have to define the shape of the customer data. We are going to come here, we add colon, and then we specify here the type of this object using the curly braces here. Then here we're going to say that this object, it is going to have a name, it's going to be a string, email a string, and telephone. Let's say, and age is going to be a number. And here you can come over here, you can see that here we are getting an error here. Property age is missing in the type. We should add also the age property here. Let's say 12. And we just defined an object, customer data, which has a fixed size. You can see here. If you add another key here, let's say contact, we are going to get here an error. TypeScript will yell to us that contact doesn't exist in the shape here, in the defined shape here. We do not have a contact. And this is how you can add type annotation to an object, by creating an object like this and colon and adding here a type. We can even define here, and we can even add here a nested type here, like let's say address. Then here we're gonna say it's going to have address 1, it's going to be a string, and address 2 a string. And then here, to remove the error, we are going to add the address key and the two address here, address 1 and address 2, and then assign them values. You can see, and this is how you can define a fixed size of an object. Here we do not have the possibility to extend or to add keys within this object because we already defined the shape of it. And that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about interface. We're going to learn how we can make this code here look clean, because this code here, you can see that this code, if we have a big object, this code will look messy, will be unreadable. Next video, we're gonna learn how to make this code readable. I see you there.